Hey guys, so you know the weather over here in California is pretty crazy. So with that being said, I'm going to be making some chicken soup for me and my kids. Let's get this chicken rinsed off. Now let's start prepping the veggies. So when you get here, go ahead and skim off the impurities. Gross. And when you're done, chop them up. These corns are... So now in chicken soup, you could do anything you want. I'm just going to do these three. So I have the potatoes sitting in water so they don't brown, carrots, and corn. And that's all I'm going to use with the chicken. So I knew you go to Target. Don't buy this. You'll hate me. So good. So now it's been about an hour and a half since it's been cooking. I think that's overdue, but I like to make sure my chicken is cooked. We're going to add the potatoes in. Then we're going to go in, whoops, with this. And lastly, the carrots. Give it a little stir and then let it cook for about another 30 minutes. So this is how it looks coming out. That's what it looks like in their bowl. Baby girl has hers all blended.
Cheers.
The secret to it is salsa. Enough rice, so I used the ABCs. Same thing. Is it good?
Yeah.
And just like that, there's your chicken soup. If I left a lot of details out, it's not my thing putting cooking videos on, but it is my thing sharing things with you. Say bye.
Bye.